Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Jonah.
And today we're going to start talking about op art. Now, op art is all about
Optical illusions.
optical illusions, that's right. And we're going to be making some different optical designs. The op art artists were trying to fool your eye with the art that they made. The first one that we're going to do today is called the Impossible Triangle. It's also sometimes called the Penrose Triangle. It was made by a mathematician named Roger Penrose. And this design was used a lot in the art of another artist named M.C. Escher. I'm going to show you how to do it. It looks tricky, but it's not too bad if you guys follow along with us. Okay, let's get started. To make our Penrose Triangle today, we're going to need something to draw with. You should use a pencil today. Make sure your pencil has a good eraser because we're going to be erasing some things. I'm going to trace my design with marker when it's done, and then we're going to color it too. All right, let's put our paper long ways. And the first thing we need to do is just draw a triangle. We want to draw a triangle where the three sides are the same. So if I come down like this, come down like this, and across like this. We want to make a triangle that's like an equilateral triangle. Now you could use a ruler if you wanted to make these lines really straight, or you could just freehand them like Jonah and I am doing today. Now once we have our triangle, we're going to draw a triangle in each corner. So if I come to the top of my pyramid here, I'm going to draw a triangle like that. And I'll come down to this corner and draw a triangle like that. And in this corner, draw another one. We want those three triangles to all be about the same size. Now we're going to take that good eraser, and I want you to erase away the little triangle in each corner. So each corner will look like this now. There we go. Now we're going to connect our corners from here to here. I'm going to draw a straight line. And this line should be parallel to this line. Let's do the same on all three sides. So I'm going to go from this point to this point, like that. And I'm going to go from this point to this point, like this. Just like that. Now, I'm going to draw another line in the middle, and it's going to be parallel to the lines we just made. So I'm going to come here and draw a line that connects this, and this line is parallel to those ones. Notice that this line did not go through here all the way to the edge, or through here all the way to the edge. It's only inside that middle triangle. Now I'm going to draw one on this side, parallel to this line. Come down this way. Creates a little diamond there. And I have to draw one more on the bottom. Now we have those diamonds in all three corners. Believe it or not, that's all the drawing we have to do. Now we have to do some erasing. This can be confusing when you look at all the different lines that we have here, knowing which ones that we need to erase. So I'm going to try to help you out. The first line I want you to erase is this one. And number 2 is going to be this one. And then we're going to erase this line. So we've created our first side of our impossible triangle here. All right, let's erase another set of lines. Let's erase this one. And this one. And this one. Now we've created the second side of our impossible triangle. Now let's erase this line, and this line, and this line. That creates the third side of our impossible triangle. See? I told you it was easy to draw. Now I'm going to trace it over with marker just to make it a little easier to see and to make it really pop. Now I'm ready to color my impossible triangle. When you do your impossible triangle, you want to choose 3 colors that will stand out really well from each other. Colors that will create a lot of contrast. And we're going to create each of these L shapes with one of our 3 colors. I added a little bit of shading in the places where it goes underneath, just to help make it look really 3-dimensional. We're going to use colored pencils, but you could use whatever you have available. There you have it, Roger Penrose's Impossible Triangle, and our first op art illusion. Next week, I'm going to show you another different op art project. Remember, you can send me a picture of your artwork to my email address, and I'll add it to the YouTube video I post each week with everybody's artwork in it. Okay, see you next time, guys. Bye.